Nepal Jesuits decided to move out of Kathmandu Valley in 1997 and established a new mission in Japa, the far eastern part of Nepal. There were two reasons for selecting Japa. The first being that there was certain numbers of Catholic Christians here and this place lacked quality education. Father Matthew Asarikuri was a regional superior during this time. Father Paul Casey was given the responsibility to purchase the land in Deonia. Father Paul purchased 4 bighas and 5 kattas of land in 1995. Sister Isabella of St. Joseph, Clooney, was a big support to Father Paul Casey in the beginning of the mission. After purchasing the land for school in 1995, Father Victor Beck arrived at Deonia in 1996 and stayed as a paying guest at one of the locals' home, Mr. Kaluram Bhattarai. Following this, in January 1997, the foundation stone for a 2-story building was laid by Father Victor and Father Jimmy Mario, who had come from Patna, India. The engineering of these buildings was done by Brother Mario. Brother Irenaeus had also played a significant role in the establishment of this institute. It took almost 2 years for the construction of the 2 buildings. One building was used for the residence of the Jesuit fathers and the other was used for the school. In the summer of 1999, the district education officer of Japa gave permission to start a primary school. Advertisement for admission in LKG, UKG and Class 1 was circulated in the local newspaper. Father James, who had just arrived to Nepal after completing his studies in India, was the first principal of St. Xavier School Deonia. 3 cycle rickshaws were bought in the first year of school for transportation. As the number of students grew, school bought a yellow HA bus the next year. During the initial period, the locality was suffering from poverty, lack of education awareness, drug addiction among youth, and superstition. The establishment of SXT in Deonia helped the local people to come out of this darkness and strive hard for a better future. Classes started in August 1999 in the newly constructed buildings. The contractor Mr. Pokhrel, Rajan, Brother Jimmy Mario, Father Victor, and the worker toiled day and night to get the rooms ready for the opening day. Finally, our dream was fulfilled when the first student in blue and white uniform entered the school compound brought in by a parent on his bicycle. There were total 175 students in 2 sections of nursery class, 1 section each of LKG and UKG. There were 6 teachers and 1 office staff in the beginning. Since then, it's been 25 years of St. Xavier School Deonia, empowering generation of students to live by the motto, live for God and lead for Nepal. May God bless SXT to keep touching hearts and transforming lives for years to come.
चप्पलले गर्दा छिलिन्छ टेक्न भन्थ्यो Good, Superman.
सक्ने होइन जति लड्ने नेपालीको बानी हुन्छ कहिले नझुक्ने शिर उभेको स्वाभिमानी नेपाली हुन्छ विश्वको कुना काँचमा खोज नेपालीको मुटुमा खोज त्यहाँ सिङ्गो नेपाल हुन्छ त्यहाँ राजा रानी हुन्छ त्यहाँ सिङ्गो नेपाल हुन्छ त्यहाँ राजा रानी हुन्छ बेचको नभई रङ्ग डाँफे चरीले बोकेर उड्छ एकता अनि वीरताको गाथा सारङ्गीले गाउँदै हिँड्छ टुकरीको ढोगभित्र बिरुवाहरूको पाइला हुन्छ पर्वत राज हिमाल मुनि पुरा सक फुलेको हुन्छ पुरा सको रङ्ग हेर त्यो पनि त रातो हुन्छ हाम्रो मुटुको रगत हेर त्यो पनि त रातो हुन्छ रातो रङ्ग सिमृतको रङ्ग चन्द्र सूर्य झन्डाको रङ्ग त्यो पनि